Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious motorhomes hitting the road, the 2026 Prevost motorhome. Known for combining cutting-edge technology with unmatched comfort, this new model raises the bar for what a premium motorcoach can be. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just stepping into the RV lifestyle, this is a vehicle that demands your attention. On the outside, the 2026 Prevost is a head-turner. The aerodynamic body, sleek LED lighting, and flush-mounted slide-outs blend form with function. The high-end paint finish comes in a variety of custom options, and every inch screams quality craftsmanship. Built on the renowned Prevost chassis, it's not just about looks, it's about durability and road presence. Stainless steel lower body panels, integrated awnings, and frameless windows complete the upscale appearance. Inside, the Prevost offers a refined, contemporary space that feels more like a luxury condo than a motorhome. You'll find plush seating, top-tier appliances, and high-end materials throughout. Ambient lighting, a digital command center, and smart home integration make the experience intuitive and elegant without feeling overwhelming. It's spacious, sophisticated, and built for comfort. Under the hood, performance is no afterthought. The 2026 Prevost is powered by a Volvo D13 engine paired with a 12-speed automated transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and powerful torque for tackling mountain roads or long highway stretches. The ride quality is exceptional thanks to the independent front suspension and advanced leveling system, ensuring a smooth journey regardless of the terrain. When it comes to safety, Prevost has taken no shortcuts. You'll get adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision mitigation, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera system. The braking system has been upgraded for better stopping power, and the structural integrity of the coach meets some of the highest safety standards in the industry. Some of the standout features that make this motorhome truly unique include customizable floor plans, a fully integrated digital monitoring system, solar charging capability, and a whisper-quiet HVAC system. The attention to noise insulation is impressive. It's one of the quietest cabins you'll ever experience on wheels. Add in massive storage bays with slide-out trays and you've got both style and substance. Pricing for the 2026 Prevost motorhome starts at around $2.2 million, depending on customization and conversion details. Yes, it's a significant investment, but it's designed for those who expect the absolute best in mobile living. To wrap things up, the 2026 Prevost motorhome is more than just a luxury coach, it's a statement. It combines elite performance, top-tier safety, modern elegance, and smart innovation into one beautifully crafted machine. If you're looking for the ultimate RV experience with no compromises, this is it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update from the channel. See you in the next one.